I will show you guys the proper personal protective equipment for SETG4711 experiment. So firstly, you need to wear a jacket, a full protective boot, an apron, face mask, glove, and also welding kit.
So for as a welding method, there are two wires. So is positive and negative, and also AC, DC or transformer. So for the negative wires is hold on the working table, and also for the positive. For the positive wire is for hold the electrode. So it's like this. And for make the welding for a straight line, so we must 75 degrees on the welding plate. So when using the small electrode like 3.2 mm, so the electric current also must use smaller. So for example, we use 80 mm. The tools we use during the welding, so the safety goggles protect your eyes. This is the hammer to knock the after welding. This is the chalk just to indicate the line, and this is a wire brush to get the remaining dirt on the plate. Before the welding, we must turn on the shield first, and then clamp the negative wire to the workbench with the metal plate, and then this is the positive wire to connect to the electrode itself, and to connect it just like this. So that we use the chalk to mark our path. So for example, we are welding a straight line. During the welding, we must wear this PPE. So I will be using my left hand to put the machine in front of my face, and then I will use my right hand for welding. So first I will using a scratch method to start the welding. After the welding, use your hammer to knock the layer on the outside. And use your brush to clean it